Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you and happy homes inhabited and continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such design. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, today video is very amazing designs, wonderful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Let is no comment box. You can like our videos. If you want to fashion watch any videos, if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related design. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel with me. Take care. Will remember prayer and bye.